Welcome to my channel. I am here again with another pattern for beanie or hat. I am going to use yarn of this color. The thickness of the yarn is for about 1 mm and I am going to use a hook of 4.5 mm for this project. We have to begin with slip knot, chain 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to do 50 chains. So complete doing 50 chains and we will meet again when these chains would be completed. When these 50 chains are complete, we have to do chain 1. This is a turning chain. Into the 4th stitch, insert the hook and pull through both the loop. Pull through both the loops, slip stitch 1, 2, 3. So we have to do 3 slip stitches. This is going to be on the top of the hat. Now into rest of all the stitches we have to do single crochet 1. So complete the row by doing 1 single crochet into all the stitches across the row, and we will meet again when this row would be completed. When this row is complete, we have to do chain 1, flip the work. Now this is the front loop and this is the back loop. Into all the back loops we have to do single crochet 1 across the row. Now into the next back loop, single crochet 1, into the next back loop, single crochet 1. So complete the row by doing single crochet 1 into all the back loops of all these stitches, except for these 3 stitches where we have to do slip stitches into the back loops again. So complete the row and we will meet again when the row would be completed. When we have completed single crochet into all the back loops of all the stitches, we are going to do slip stitches into the last 3 stitches of the row. So into the back loop of the second stitch, slip stitch, into the back loop of the third stitch, slip stitch, chain 1, flip the work. Now again we have to do 3 slip stitches on the top of 3 back loops. Again into the next back loop, slip stitch 3. We have to do single crochet into the back loops of rest of the stitches across the row. Complete the row and we will meet again when the row would be completed. When we have completed doing single crochet into the rest of all the stitches, we are going to do last stitch of the row, and into the last stitch we have to insert the hook into both the loops. Pull through 2, single crochet, chain 1, flip the work, again into next 24 stitches we have to do single crochet. From here we are going to divide this hat into 3 parts. For the first 24 stitches we are going to do single crochet into back loops of first 24 stitches, and then into next 20 stitches we are going to do star stitch, and for rest of 6 stitches that are on the top of the hat we are going to do 3 single crochet and 3 slip stitches. So complete doing 24 single crochet and we will meet again when these stitches would be completed. When we have completed 24 single crochet into all the back loops, we are going to begin star stitch for next 20 stitches. So this is the first loop into the single crochet. Insert the hook in, pull through 1, into this loop, pull through 2, 3, 4. So there are 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 5, chain 1. Now into the eye of this star stitch, insert the hook in, pull through 1, 2, 3, into the back loop of the next stitch, 4. Now there are 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 5, chain 1, into the eye of the star stitch, insert the hook in, pull through 1, into this loop, pull through 2, 3 and 4. There are 5 loops on the hook, pull through all the 5, chain 1. So these are 3 stars. Complete doing 7 more stars and we will meet again when these 10 stars would be completed. When these 10 stars are complete, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are going to do 3 single crochet into next 3 back loops. 1, 2 and 3. Now 3 slip stitches. 1, 2 and into the next back loop of next stitch, 3. Chain 1, flip the work. Now again we have to do 3 slip stitches. 1 into the back loop of the next stitch, 2, 3. Now we have to do 3 single crochet into next 3 back loops. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over. Now into each eye of the star stitch we have to do 2 half double crochet. 1 into the same eye, 2. Yarn over into the next eye of next star, 1, 2 half double crochet. Yarn over into the next eye of star stitch, half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2. So complete doing half double crochet into each eye of the star and we will meet again when the stitches up to here would be completed. When we have completed doing 2 half double crochet into each eye of the star stitch, we have to do single crochet into each back loop and there would be 24 stitches. You can put a stitch marker here so that you would be able to know where to begin the pattern. So complete the row and we will meet again when the row would be completed. When the row is complete, we have to do chain 1, flip the work. Now we have to do single crochet 1 into each back loops and we have to complete 4 rows of single crochet except for the last 3 stitches on the top where we have to do 3 slip stitches. So complete doing 4 rows of single crochet and we will meet again when these 4 rows would be completed. When we have completed these 4 rows of single crochet, we are going to begin this pattern of a star stitch again. So into the single crochet, insert the hook and pull through, into the first loop, pull through, into the next stitch, pull through, into the very next stitch, pull through. So there are 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, pull through. Into this eye of a star stitch, pull through 1, pull through 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, pull through. So complete 10 star stitches into 20 back loops and we will meet again when this row of a star stitch would be completed. When we completed these 10 star stitches, we did 3 single crochet and 3 slip stitches. Chain 1, flip the work. Now we have to do 3 slip stitches. So 1, 2 and 3. Into next 3 back loops, 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over. Into the eye of each star stitch we have to do 2 half double crochet, 1, 2. Into the eye of next star stitch, half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2. So complete this row by doing half double crochet, and then after completing this row of half double crochet we have to do 24 single crochet into each back loops. After this row we have to do 4 rows of single crochet into each back loop. So keep on repeating these rows to the length you require for the project. I completed the length for about 40 centimeters. As the pattern has got the stretch, it can be fit to any size of the head. Now we are going to begin sewing these two ends of the hat. Now to sew these both ends we have to take the help of yarn needle, and now insert the needle into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through. Again into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through. In this way join these both ends, and we will meet again when these both ends would be joined. When these both ends are joined, we are going to work on the top of the hat, and on the top of the hat we have to do stitches in this way and pull the yarn. Again do the stitches in this way and join the stitches on the top of the hat, and we will meet again when the top of the hat would be completed. If you wish, you can add pom-pom on the top of the hat too. This hat or beanie is going to look like this when it will be completed. This pattern is very easy and even a beginner can make it. Thank you so much.